Hey there, little one. Ava Anching Aduliesco. What a pretty name. You know what day it is. It's your special day, and we're so excited to celebrate your first birthday with you. Today is all about happiness, joy, and love. Your Mama Zaira and Papa Sydney, your aunts and uncles, Grandma and Grandpa, and all the people who love you are here to share this amazing moment with you. You've grown so much in just a year, and we're so proud of you. Remember, life is full of adventures, and you're just starting your journey. Embrace every moment, every smile, and every giggle. Let's make today a day to remember. Thank you for being a part of our lives, little one. We love you so much and can't wait to see what the future holds for you. Happy first birthday, Ava!
Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mong may gayon. Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aking sa puso ko. Kaya ngaya'y waring gulong-gulo ang puso ko't isipan. Araw-gabi ay pangarap ka, at sa tuwin ay babalisan. Dahil ba ang puso ko'y labis ng ibig sa'yo, hanggang kailan magtitiis ilim ang pag-ibig ko. Anong gagawin sa utos ng ganda?